In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing on Xbox, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first, turn off the Xbox completely and unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back and turn it on. It can help you clear temporary system glitches. Check for game update, go to the game and app, highlight Marvel Rivals, press the menu button and select manage game. And add one check for update and install any available patches to ensure you're running to the latest version. Check for system update, navigate to the settings system update and ensure your Xbox console is updated to the latest firmware. Software can cause compatibility issues, clear cache, hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds to turn it off. Unplug the power cable, wait for 1 minute, then reconnect it to clear the system cache. And also crashing issue, reinstall the game, uninstall Marvel Rivals by highlighting the game, pressing the menu button and select uninstall. Reinstall it from the Xbox store or library. Check the storage space to ensure your Xbox has enough free storage. Go to the settings on the system and then go to the storage to check and free up the space if necessary. Reset the console, go to the setting and the system. Then on console info, select reset console, then select the reset and keep game and app. Reset the system while keeping your installed contact. Support the issue, persist contact, Marvel Rivals support or Xbox support. Provide details about the crashes such as when they occur or any error code. The steps should help to stabilize the game and prevent further crashes. And that's it, you are done.